Right, this is my 6S O3 air unit, naked O3 air unit with 5-inch propellers, coming in at 237 grams. Let's see how she flies. Goggles down, hood up, arming, we're armed. 50 megabits per second, let's go. Do some gentle. Let's just do some manoeuvres in and out, show you that how well it can corner. Very manoeuvrable. And as you can see, she's like grease lightning. That was close. There's me. Big power loop. I like to power loop these trees at the back. It's good because it gives you a bit of perspective of how high you are. There you go with the house in view there. There's another close one. Hard to see those straggly tree branches up there. There's also a wire there as well because I've got a camera that feeds that films the bird table. There's a cable going to it that I crash into all the time. I keep forgetting it's there and you can't see it till the last second. Let's go a nice and high one. Let's have a look at the view. Look at that for a view. Beautiful. Don't know if you could see that in there, those cables dangling down, look. That's the one I'm on about. Oh, catches me all the time, that one. I'm going to just do one more pass round past me. There's me. So that's it. There you go, and I crashed anyway, so that was easy way to land. So I've got a beeper on this which I can turn on with this, look, and that tells me exactly where it is in case I lose it. There you go, all okay, ready to send again. May as well.